Hi there. So I decided to go ahead and let you see about how long I keep this on my face. Now, I do work it into my skin for a little bit of time before I let it rest on my face. So right now we're working it. And this is to help the exfoliation process. And I like to concentrate on the areas that I have the hyperpigmentation the most, which is my cheeks. Especially this cheek. I sleep on this side the most, so I think that's the reason why I break out over on this side. So naturally, I get the hyperpigmentation because I do my own extractions. And extractions, whether you get them done by an esthetician or not, it's going to cause scarring. So you just have to know what to do with that scarring and know how to do your extractions in order to have the least amount of scarring possible, if that makes sense. Guys, I definitely do my lips. I like to do my lips because they need exfoliation too. And hey, some of us know where we get dark lips from. It helps with that, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. So definitely get your neck. When I know I'm about to hop in the shower, I do the back of my neck too. But okay, I'm pretty sure you guys hear my teapot going, whistling, so I'm gonna go and get that. And so that's my sign to now let this rest. Okay, and I've been rubbing this in for 2 minutes and 45 seconds as per the TikTok timer here. I'm gonna pause this. Actually, no, I let it go so I can give you an exact time of how long I'm gonna let this sit on my face. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm just cleaning up my area and getting my area prepared to do my next steps after I rinse this off. And I usually do this. This is my routine. And after I prepare my area for my next steps, that's when I rinse. So I have everything together. All right, we are at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I stopped working it in at 2:45. We're about to hit 4:45, so it's been 2 minutes. It's rinse time. Okay, I'm gonna grab a baking soda. I told you I use this to help neutralize my pH and get it back to normal again. Make sure that nose is clean. My nose is clean. Alright. And next important step. Dry with paper towels. I do not, okay, ever dry my face with towels. I don't care if they just came out the washer. I'd rather let my face air dry. Why? Because I just feel like they hold germs, dusts in the air because they catch it. And my face, since I started doing this is probably the first thing that I started doing to or changing up on my skin regimen that I actually seen a big difference in. Not using towels on my skin. So that's number one. If you can't afford the soap, at least dry your face with paper towels and get you some baking soda. And guys, I get a lot of questions. How long did it take to completely clear up? Look, I have told y'all time and time again, I have major problem skin. My acne is serious. I am not 100% clear. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's some hyperpigmentation. Why? Because I had to do an extraction right there the other day. Same as right here. Same as over here. But this is better than having all types of scarring all over my face. And this is small. I can deal with this one pimple here as opposed to a big flare up. I don't get flared up anymore. So yeah, I am not 100% clear, but to me, this is awesome. I love my skin right now. Okay. So I'm going to finish with the rest of my routine. Of course, that includes sunscreen. I will get back at y'all later.